Hello friends, my name is Himanshu Mittal. I'm a sales professional, I'm an engineer turned sales professional, and I've been sharing my videos onto different topics of sales. I've started giving sales training by this time. Today I would like to ask you one question. You might have one dream in your life which you thought that you would accomplish at any cost. But after some time you left it, and by now you might have forgot what your dream was. When you were a kid or when you were young, you might be thinking of becoming a pilot, becoming a dancer, becoming a singer. By this time also you might be thinking of starting a YouTube channel and many things. But most of our dreams left behind. What is the one reason? There might be many reasons, but what is the one very reason which actually plays the important role into this thing? What I've learned is we always try to be perfect. We always think that we will start a particular thing. I will become a dancer. If I have to become a dancer, I have to have this skills, or I have to have this resources. If I have to start a YouTube channel, I would need some professional setup. I would need some person who would handle the account. Maybe anything you might be thinking. But I want to state one thing. You can just note it down into a copy. I want to state one thing. Perfection is a myth. These are 4 letters. Perfection is a myth. Nobody is perfect. If you're thinking to do something, just take the initiative. Take the initiative. You always think, like you daily think of doing something, and we do not sometimes start because we want to be perfect. We think too much what people would say. This video is not itself perfect, I know, but I am taking initiative. I'm taking initiative for myself, for you guys. See, by being consistent only, you can beat 75% of the competition in your domain. So rather than just thinking too much, rather than just kill your dreams into your mind, let them be killed on the ground. What would happen? What the worst thing can happen? You would fail. You would get embarrassed for some time, but you would learn something, and there will not be any grudge into your heart that you have not just tried even. Perfection is a myth. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to execute, to initiate. Initiate is the key. See, can you see the engine of a train? All it takes is the power to start. But when it started, it can run easily. The most power you need is to start your project. You don't need power to run the show. You just need the power to start this. Don't hold your dreams. Don't hold your thoughts into your mind. Just take the initiative. If I combine this thing into my sales career, I've seen salespeople, before calling a customer, before going into meeting, they try to be perfect. They think too much that what the customer would think. I've called him 3 times in this week. What he would think if I'm calling again to follow up. They think too much. Why to think? What would happen? They would say no. No means next opportunity. Nothing else. If you are not taking the initiative, the chances of losing is 100%. And if you take the initiative, at least you are on the probability to get succeed. If you have any comments, please put them in the box, and if you can relate my story, please